What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live in HD, no advertisements, 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Got 10 boxes of 2011 Gold Standard for you tonight. Started off with a box number 1. Everybody gonna get their own division tonight. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against the list we have on the website. And there is your roster for box number 1. And here's the first mini case. And box number 1. Here's our checklist. Alright, start bottom card first for the Packers. Legend Jim Taylor. Number to 299 going to Allen. For the Broncos, Tim Tebow. To 299 going to Daniel C. Rookie for the Jets, Mohammed Wilkerson. That one to 299 going to Allen. Chargers, Antonio Gates. That one a black gold hit, 1 out of 10. First one made. Chargers going to Daniel C tonight. Congratulations, Daniel. For the Raiders, rookie David Osbury to 299. Another one for Daniel. Jaguars, Gold Leaf Stars, Maurice Jones-Drew, 299. Jags going to Allen. And a Gold Leaf rookie for the Giants, Jarrell Jernigan, to 299 going to Jonathan A. First hit going to the Eagles, Deshaun Jackson jersey patch, going to Jonathan, numbered 4 out of 299. For the Chiefs, Jonathan Baldwin, Gold Leaf rookie patch, going to Daniel, numbered 152 out of 299. Rookie on card auto jersey patch, going to the Jaguars, Blaine Gabbert. Jags going to Allen. That one number 24 out of 525. Congratulations. Up next for the Steelers, Cameron Hayward, rookie auto, numbered 007 out of 499. Steelers going to Tab. And a rookie auto for the Redskins, Evan Royster. That one numbered 392 out of 499. And that'll do it for box 1. Let's get the roster for box 2. And there are 8 names. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against the list on the website. And there's your roster for box number 2. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Up first for the Texans, Arian Foster. That one going to Allen, numbered to 299. For the Lions, Javid Best to 299, going to Allen. Giants rookie Marvin Austin to 299, going to Daniel. Legend for the Eagles, Chuck Bednark to 299, going to Daniel. And for the Vikings, Donovan McNabb, number 22 out of 25, going to Allen. Kenny Britt, golden anniversary, numbered to 299, going to Allen. And gold leaf for rookies for the Browns, Greg Little to 299, going to Allen as well. First hit going to the Packers, gold leaf for rookie jersey patch, Randall Cobb, going to Allen, numbered 172 out of 299. And another gold leaf for rookie patch. This one for the Cardinals running back Ryan Williams. Going to Allen, numbered at 98 out of 299. On card rookie auto, nice 3-color patch. On a Chiefs receiver, Jonathan Baldwin. That one going to Tad, numbered 115 out of 525. And for the Broncos, a rookie auto, Raheem Moore. That one number 10 out of 499, going to Ted. And another one for you, Ted. A rookie auto for the Broncos, Julius Thomas, numbered 85 out of 499. That'll do it for box 2. Let's get our roster for box 3. There are the 8 names. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against the list on the website. Here's your roster for box number 3. Up first for the Cowboys, Dez Bryant, going to Allen, numbered to 299. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe to 299, going to Nathan H. Newcomer Nathan, welcome, glad to have you. Bengals, rookie Jay Finley to 299, going to John W. Colts legend Lenny Moore to 299, going to Ben. Broncos rookie Virgil Green to 299, going to Nathan. Bills 50th anniversary Thurman Thomas to 299, going to Allen. And gold leaf rookie for the Raiders, Taiwan Jones to 299, going to Nathan. First hit is going to the Cowboys, a Roger Staubach game use patch. A little bit of dirt on there. Cowboys going to Allen tonight. And this one is numbered 61 out of 99. Up next for the 49ers, Gold Rush jersey patch for Frank Gore. That one going to Tad, numbered 67 out of 99. And another one for you, Tad, Austin Pettis on card rookie autograph jersey patch. Numbered 525 out of 525. The last one made. Congratulations. For the Redskins, a Roy Halou Jr. autograph, numbered to 499, going to Allen. And for the Bucks, a rookie autograph, Ahmad Black, numbered to 499. Bucks going to Pat K. And that'll do it for box 3. Let's get the roster for box 4. There are the 8 names. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that, paste it against the list on the website. There's your roster for box number 4. First for the Falcons, Tony Gonzalez. Falcons going to Chris B, numbered to 299. Chargers, Philip Rivers to 299, going to Allen. Giants rookie Greg Jones to 299, going to Tad. Legend for the Rams, Deacon Jones to 299, going to Allen. Falcons rookie, Jaquez Rogers, short print, number 23 out of 25. That one going to Chris B. Congratulations. Legend for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith to 299, going to Tad. And Goldie for rookies for the Niners, Kendall Hunter to 299, going to Allen. First hit going to the Chargers, Philip Rivers jersey patch. Chargers going to Allen. That one number 227 out of 299. Up next for the Titans, 3-color prime patch for running back Chris Johnson. And that one going to John W. Congratulations, John. Short print numbered 11 out of 25. Rookie on card auto jersey patch, going to be a redemption. Card number 271. And 271 going to Randall Cobb, rookie receiver for the Packers. That one going to Ben. Congratulations, Ben. For the Raiders, Denarius Moore, rookie auto, numbered to 499, going to Allen. And for the Giants, rookie autograph, Tyler Sash, numbered to 499, going to Tad. All right, box number 5. There are the 8 names. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste that against the list on the website. There's your roster for box number 5. First for the Chargers, Antonio Gates, going to Tad, number to 299. For the Packers, Greg Jennings, going to Allen, number to 299. Giants rookie Darrell Scott to 299, going to Pat K. The legend for the Steelers, Mean Joe Green to 299, going to Allen. Rookie for the Texans, J.J. Watt to 299, going to John M. And for the Titans, Eddie George to 299, going to John M. Steelers Gold Rush, Rashard Mendenhall to 299, going to Allen. First hit going to the Bengals, Goldie for rookie patch, AJ Green. Bengals going to Allen tonight. This one numbered 210 out of 299. For the Chargers, Vincent Brown, rookie jersey patch, prime patch, short print numbered 17 out of 25. That one going to Tad. Rookie on card auto going to be a red jersey patch, going to be redemption, card number 284. And 284 is going to Balil Powell, a rookie running back for the Jets. Jets going to Allen. For the Cowboys, rookie auto for Tyron Smith. That going to Pat, numbered to 499. It looks like we have a bonus hit in this box. It's going to be an extra one. Both of them look to be case hits. So first for the Giants, rookie auto jersey patch, Jarrell Jernigan. That one going to Pat. Short print, numbered 7 out of 50. It looks like we have a super short print with the bonus hit. And this one is a 14 karat gold patch auto. Rookie for the Bills, Marcel Darius. Bills going to Allen M. This one a short print, numbered 3 out of 6. Congratulations, Allen. And that'll do it for case number 1. All right, let's go to case number 2, box number 6. There are the 8 names. We'll randomize them 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list, paste it against the list on the website. Here's your roster for box number 6. And here is mini case number 2. go, box 6. First for the Packers of Bart Starr, going to MrPCFixer.com, number to 299. For the Bears, Matt Forte, another one for Brent, Mr. PC Fixer, number to 299. Sorry about that. For the Ravens, rookie Jimmy Smith. Ravens going to Allen, number to 299. For the Packers, a legend Jim Taylor, number to 299, going to MrPCFixer.com. Dolphins rookie Charles Clay to 299, going to John W. Jets Mark Sanchez to 299, another one for John W. And Gold Rush for the Vikings, Adrian Peterson to 299, going to Brent. First hit going to the Falcons, goalie for rookie patch, Julio Jones. That one going to Allen, number 216 out of 299. For the Jets, Darrell Revis jersey patch, going to John W. Short print 38 out of 99. Rookie on card auto, nice 3-color patch, AJ Green. Bengals going to Alan M tonight. Very nice patch, Alan. And that one numbered 99 out of 525. Rookie auto for the Giants, Prince Amakamura, number to 499, going to Tad. And for the Vikings, rookie auto for Stephen Burton, number to 499, going to Barrent. And that'll do it for box 6. Let's get the roster for box number 7. There are the 8 names. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's your roster for box number 7. For the Steelers, Big Ben Roethlisberger, going to Allen, number to 299. The Patriots, Tom Brady, going to MrPCFixer.com to 299. Rookie for the Packers, Ryan Taylor, going to John W, number to 299. And another one for you, John. Legend for the Vikings of Brett Favre to 299. For the Browns, rookie Jordan Cameron to 299, going to Alan M. For the Titans, Gold Leaf Stars, Chris Johnson, going to Allen, numbered to 299. And for the Colts, Gold Leaf rookie running back Delonte Carter to 299, going to Allen. First hit is going to the Vikings, a Brett Favre jersey patch. Going to John W. Number to 52 out of 99. For the Colts, Goldie for rookie jersey patch, Delonte Carter. Going to Allen. Number 229 out of 299. One touch for this next one. For the Bengals, Andy Dalton on card rookie autograph. A nice 3-color patch. And Bengals going to Alan M. Just an Andy Dalton magnet lately, Alan. That one numbered 512 out of 525. And if you haven't seen the forum, Alan and John W. just made the first LBB trade for a different Andy Dalton rookie auto. Nice work, fellas. Rookie auto for the Browns, Phil Taylor. That one going to Allen, numbered to 4 out of 25. And another one for you, Allen. Rookie auto for quarterback, Ricky Stanzi of the Chiefs. And that one numbered 364 out of 499. Let's move on to box number 8. There are the 8 names, so we'll randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that, paste it against the list on the website. There's your roster for box number 8. First for the Texans, Andre Johnson. Going to Tad, number to 299. Vikings, Jared Allen. Going to Dusty J, number to 299. Cardinals, rookie DeMarco Sampson, number to 299. Going to Tad. Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew. That one a black gold run, 3 out of 10. And Jaguars going to Tad tonight. Congratulations. Rookie for the Redskins, Evan Royster to 299, going to Tim H. And Bills 50th anniversary, CJ Spiller, number to 299, going to Mike T. Goldie for rookies for the Cardinals, Ryan Williams, numbered 181 out of 299, going to Tad. First hit is going to the Rams, Sam Bradford jersey patch. Rams going to Tad, numbered to 299. For the Niners, a rookie patch for Colin Kaepernick. Niners going to Tad. That one numbered 105 out of 299. Rookie on card auto jersey patch is going to the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray. Very nice. That one going to Tim H. Numbered 439 out of 525. Congratulations, Tim. For the Texans, Defensive Player of the Year, J.J. Watt, rookie autograph. That one going to Tad, numbered 178 out of 499. And for the Broncos, Julius Thomas, rookie auto, numbered to 499. Broncos going to Dusty tonight. Congratulations, Dusty. On to box 9. There are the 8 names. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that, paste it against the list on the website. There's your roster for box number 9. Up first for the Buccaneers, Michael Williams. Going to Tim H, numbered to 299. Jaguars, Mercedes Lewis to 299. Going to Brad B. Niners, a rookie, Aldon Smith to 299. Going to Brian P. Legend for the Colts, Raymond Berry to 299. Going to Brad B. Another one, this one, Chargers going to Matthew G. Rookie Marcus Gilchrist, number to 299. For the Bills, Lee Evans to 299. Going to Pat K. Goalie for rookies for the Jets, Balil Powell to 299. Another one for Pat. First hit going to the Saints, Marquez Colston jersey patch. Saints going to Tim H. Number 204 out of 299. For the Jets, a prime 2-color patch, Hall of Famer Joe Namath. Jets going to Pat K. Very nice. Short print number to 24 out of 25. Congratulations, Pat. Rookie on card auto going to be Redemption, card number 270. And 270 going to Daniel Thomas, rookie for the Dolphins. That one going to Pat K. For the Ravens, a rookie auto for Jimmy Smith, number to 499. That one going to Tad. And another one for you, Tad. A rookie auto for the Ravens, Tyrod Taylor, number to 499. And on to the final box, number 10. There are the 8 names. Randomize that list 5 times. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's the roster for box number 10. Hopefully we can find a couple of case hits here. Last box of the case. Worked with the last case. First for the Jets, Joe Namath. Going to Dusty. numbered to 299. For the Patriots, Wes Welker to 299, going to Dusty. Rookie for the Redskins, Jarvis Jenkins to 299, going to Alan M. Legend for the Niners, Ronnie Lott, numbered to 299, going to Dusty. Rookie for the Bears, Gabe Carimi to 299, going to Allen. Legend for the Raiders, Jerry Rice to 299, going to Tad. Goldie for rookie for the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray, number to 299, going to Allen. Legend jersey patch, Hall of Gold for quarterback Joe Montana. Niners going to Dusty. Nice hit, numbered 77 out of 299. Congratulations. Up next for the Dolphins, Clyde Gates 3-color prime patch. Another one for Dusty. Short print numbered at 9 out of 25. I'll give you another look at that patch. Congratulations. Rookie on card auto jersey patch going to be redemption. Card number 285. And 285 is going to Jamie Harper, rookie running back for the Titans. Titans going to Alan M. Congratulations. For the Colts, Anthony Costanzo, rookie auto, numbered to 499. Going to Alan M. And looks like we have the bonus hit in this one. Very nice. This one, Jets, rookie autograph, Scotty McKnight. Short print numbered 18 out of 25. That one going to Dusty. And the bonus hit, going to be a 14-karat gold patch auto for the Cleveland Browns, Peyton Hillis. And Browns going to Pat K tonight. That one a short print numbered 4 out of 10. And that will do it for the Sunday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a 5-box football break, and then Tuesday we have a 10-box playbook case break. It's only a few spots left, so if you're interested, take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.